What it is, what it do? It's your boy Jay Smooth. Welcome to another episode of Smooth Customs. And today I'm here with my assistant Janelle. Say hi to the guys.
Hi.
All right. So check it out. On today's episode, we are gonna be working on the Ryker. Yeah, Ryker, right there. All right. So one thing is obviously apparent when I almost got ran over by this Asian lady in a minivan. I know she had to be Asian. Sorry. Anyways, so yeah, a couple of days ago I was out riding and I almost got ran over by this lady in a minivan. And I went to honk the horn, and needless to say, it was kind of disappointing. Something like this. Yeah. So I went on good old eBay and let me see that. I got myself supposedly 300 dB truck car horn, and so yeah, so this thing right here cost me $10.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at it. Yeah. Okay.
And it's a honky horn.
It's a honky horn.
Yeah. It
Yeah.
looks like you can make a horn.
Yeah. Okay. So this thing, or this snail horn right here, looks a little bit bigger than what came with the Ryker. So I'm assuming it should be louder. But I don't know about this claim of 300 dBs, because the majority ones that I see for this price are more like 120 dBs, and I think that whatever comes in the Ryker is like a 60 or 80 dB, and dB stands for decibels, or at least I think it does. Anyways, so this should be a pretty simple install. We got one bracket, one horn, 2 wires. Sure, go ahead.
Okay.
You're too close though. You should back up a little bit so the camera sees you.
Like and subscribe, guys.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
Yeah, because Daddy's the best channel.
Yeah, Daddy's got the best channel. All right, that's cool. And believe me, I did not teach her how to do that. She came up with that all by herself.
Me, because I know you my best channel.
Yeah, okay. All right, well, so should we get to it?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is... Oh, you think you're funny?
Hey.
All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this cover right here. So
It removes really quickly.
right, so we put our fingers down here, pull up on these tabs, and it slides right off. All right, go put this somewhere we won't scratch.
Okay. We're gonna not scratch.
On that carpet right there. Cool. All right, so as you can see, right here is the horn that comes with the Ryker. And go get the other one. It's right over here. The box, yeah. Bring the whole box.
And this is the horn.
The new horn.
Yeah.
All right,
And
so
put
let's see.
the horn it has to go right there over there to put it right here.
Yeah, so this is the stock horn. See how small it is compared to this new one?
Yeah.
So we're gonna try to squeeze that thing in there, right?
Yeah, it's gonna be hard.
It's not gonna be that hard. All right, let's take this off and see what we can do. All right.
You're gonna see a lot of stuff in the video.
All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and unplug these right here. These pretty much pull off.
Yeah.
Well, that's the wiring, right?
It's easily how to pull off.
Yeah, you're blocking the video though. Oops, no, you're gonna knock the camera. All right, let's see here. I think I might just keep this existing bracket right here. So what all I'm gonna do is probably just remove the horn and see if I could attach it to that same bracket. So, got this 10 millimeter right here, and let's loosen this bolt back here.
Yeah, it's hard. It takes a lot of strength to do it.
It's not coming off.
Can I tell the guys that I have candy?
No, baby.
Huh.
Ooh, is pretty on there.
You have candy, guys. Because you have candy because I bought it from the store.
Okay. Baby, we're blocking the video. The guys aren't going to be able to see how to take this off. That should do it. Alright. There it is.
This stuff is not that hard for Daddy.
Oh.
No, because Daddy's face can do very good work. Daddy made a car. Daddy made a car. And
Let's see.
this could
Trying to figure out the best way to mount this sucker right here. I think this might be the best way. All right, let's put this bolt in.
All right. Use the red.
Can you bring me the cover so I can test it out?
Where's the cover?
You put it over there on the carpet.
Yeah.
All right, so this, I just put it in and I hand tightened it. I haven't screwed it all the way down because I want to make sure this clears.
Yeah.
All right, so.
If you clear it, it's good.
I did. Victorious! It cleared.
You always say that.
I know. All right, so it cleared, so that's good. Let me go ahead and tighten it down and plug it up.
I think that's going to be funny for all the videos.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah.
All right, let's go ahead and tighten it. So to loosen it and to tighten it, I use the 10 millimeter.
That's cool.
All right, tighten that down, and then we're just gonna switch the wires over this side, and boo,
Yeah.
hit the horn. On this side, with the little horn button. Woo! Sounds pretty good.
I don't like.
All right, so there it is. I didn't even change out the original bracket. I just moved it a little bit and moved the wires over here. So no biggie. They're flipped over to this side and just mounted it over like that. And that is it.
Yeah. And that's good that Daddy can work so good. I like his videos.
All right, so now let's now all that's left is take it out for a ride. All right, guys, well, there you have it. This one was a pretty quick and easy modification to the Can-Am Ryker. So hope you guys enjoyed the video and maybe it'll be helpful to you. I don't have any basis for comparison other than the horn that was in it, but it is significantly louder.
Yeah.
Okay. What did you say earlier?
That thing was good, bro.
All right, so yeah, so I guess this video is a success. That mod is pretty easy to do. Anybody could do it. All you need is a 10 millimeter wrench and pretty much the stock bracket works. I will post the link. In the description of the horn that I bought off of eBay, which was only 10 bucks, and it got here in a few days. It wasn't even weeks like some other stuff on eBay, because you already know eBay all day. So with that being said, like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notifications. What else? You want to say something? No, that covers it? You don't know? All right, well, I'll say bye, Janelle.
Bye.
All right, let's go test this out.
everybody likes our videos because I'm in it.